Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be treating the vowel sound R, the British R. Slightly different from the American in some ways. We'll be touching that later. So let's start. Now, how do we pronounce the vowel? Now, this actually depends on your accent, like many other phonemes, many other sounds, depends on your accent. But the British tend to go with R. Not exactly ah, but ah, almost like a middle way between or and ah. See, it's almost like some nuance there. So it's ah, ah, not quite ah, and not quite or. So it's ah, ah, ah. So try to practice that, and let's move on. And then we'll get to the spelling patterns you need to look out for. The first one is AR, as in star, mark, car, park, chart. Now, note, even though I made the R red as well, the R is not pronounced in British English in this case. So it is star, not star, as it would be in the American English. So it's star, mark, car, park, and chart. Remember, this is the British version. The next one is EAR, as in heart and hearth, heart and hearth. The next one is AL, as in balm, calm, psalm, palm, half. Take note, the L is silent. The next one is the good old A, as in task, mask, grass, last, past, cast. Again, task, mask, grass, last, past, cast. And lastly, we have UAR, as in God, vanguard, guard, and vanguard. And here we go again with the personal practice. Lard, tarnish, cards, narcotics, father, starvation, cardinal, varnish, bar, staff, jar, calf, sharp, balm, fart, farmer, margin, can't, banana, garage, marshal, charge, margarine, shark, mirage, Islam, cartridge, facade, charade, arcade, mast, master, arms, llama, drama, plaza, guardian, craft, vase, pass, after, last, cast, plaster, bath. I hope you enjoyed that. And then the bonus box. Ooh. So what we have here today, ER also sounds as the long R in some circumstances, or more like in this circumstance, as in sergeant, sergeant, sergeant. It's not sergeant, it's sergeant, the long R. Alright, thank you very much for sticking with me through the video. Like the video, subscribe, and comment. Also share with your friends, and click on the notification bell if you have not, so you can be notified anytime there is a new video. Thank you very much, and see you next time.